My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Ford Transit Custom Nugget camper. This vehicle has done just under 4,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker and sink. Next up, we have our double bed, which is part of our pop-top roof. And as we make our way through, we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as our second double bed, making this camper 4-berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our key features, which include navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, Ford Pass Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, and emergency assistance. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. And just below our screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.